Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Start Smart with Anjali. As you can see from the thumbnail, today I am going to talk about exam fear. But first, I would like to ask you all a question. Do you experience exam fear as well? I remember during my school days, I certainly did. Every student experiences exam fear and it's quite common. It doesn't matter whether you have studied for it or not. We all feel nervousness, anxiety, frustration and anger before exam. To be very honest, we cannot completely eliminate all these emotions, but we can reduce them. So in today's video, I will help you to cope up with these feelings and embrace your potential. So I will discuss about exam fear into 4 parts, okay? Number 1, what is exam fear? Why does it cause so much stress? When did it triggers? And how to overcome from it. But wait, at the end of this video, I will be sharing some important tips for last minute preparation. So be sure to watch till end. Okay? So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so let's try to understand what is exam fear. Exam fear is the combination of two words, exam and fear. Let's clarify their meanings. An exam is an educational assessment designed to measure your understanding and capabilities in specific subject that you have studied over time. On the other hand, fear is the negative emotions that anyone can experience. It doesn't matter whether you are a child or an adult. It is an emotion inherent in all of us. But what if I told you that small amount of fear is actually a beneficial? For example, if you feel sense of fear about coming home late, it's not sign of your weakness. It shows that you care about your mother's feeling and don't want to hurt her. Simple. That means you are a responsible person. That's why little amount of fear is always needed for growth. Okay? So exams themselves are not the actual problem. It's the negative emotions which associated with them and create an issue. Okay? So to overcome from this, accept the situation, let go all your worries and focus only on your studies. Now, why does it cause so much stress? Exam fear can actually cause significant stress, and the main reason is we often focus too much on the outcome instead of the process of learning and studying. It is important to concentrate what truly matters. If something is within your control, then direct your energy towards it, and if it's not, then try to learn, let it go. That means learning and studying is in your hand, so do it. An exam is the outcome, so relaxed and let it go. Okay? Shift your energy from worrying about the result to embracing the learning experience itself. So, think about it. Let's discuss what triggers exam fear. In my opinion, family pressure is the most common reason, because your child wants to score good marks just to avoid disappointing their parents, and it's added stress. So I urge all the parents to support their children and recognize their individual abilities. Understanding that no one is perfect. Build trust and security in your child. Not every child will become a doctor or an engineer. Some may pursue their career as a singer, dancer, musician, or an entrepreneur. One more other reason is the child's friend circle, which contribute anxiety. Children, you need to understand that if your friend is giving you stress or comparing you, then come out from that circle as soon as possible, because that is not for you. Okay? True friends always help each other. True friends brings out the best in one another. Next, how to overcome exam fear. First, schedule your time wisely and try to stick to it. Eat healthy food and avoid overeating. Otherwise, you will feel inactive. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. While studying, try to start with difficult subject. Avoid distraction. You know what I mean? No television, no using of mobiles. Okay? Try some relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercise, or do some meditation, or listen to some good music. Prepare notes while studying a topic or revising a chapter. Take down handwritten notes. It will actually help you to remember for a long duration of time. Get right amount of rest. I know regular breaks are often recommended, but I believe it's better to take rest only when your body needs them. When we take frequent breaks, our momentum and concentration breaks. Last but not the least, sleep well. A good night's sleep is essential for healthy mind and body. So these are few important points which will help you to overcome from this exam fear. Okay. Next, as I told you that I will provide you some important tips for last minute exam preparation. So here it is. Step number 1, create a well structured timetable placing the most difficult subject at the beginning. Step number 2, ensure you have all the necessary study materials. If you don't have any in the reference book, it's best to skip them to avoid unnecessary stress. Okay? Step number 3, focus on the process of learning rather than worrying about the outcome or other distraction. Step number 4, if you struggle with memorizing any answer, try relating them with some other thing. Okay? Step number 5, writing down all the answers you have already learned. This technique is highly effective for retention. Step 6, many of you may know the answer but might not fully understand the question. So after revising each answer, try to generate at least 5 to 6 questions related to it. You might be surprised at how effortlessly you understand and learn the material through varied questioning. So I hope these steps will actually help you in your exam. So all the very best and do your best. Okay? So that's all for today, and I will be back with some another video very soon. Till then, take care and keep going, keep growing. Bye bye.